Cats are a liquid by Rebecca Donnelly. Cats fill, cats spill. Cats flow downhill. Celebrate cats in all their flowing furry glory. This charming picture book examines the unusual physical properties of felines, inspired by an IG Nobel Prize-winning investigation of how cats behave like liquids. Introduces some of the physical properties of liquids that adapt to fit in a container. They flow smoothly and is just pure fun. This book will make you laugh, then think. Cats are liquid. Cats fill, cats spill. Cats flow downhill. Cats tip, cats drip, cats grip, snip, rip. Cats are liquid, except when they're not. Cats slop, cats plop, cats dizzle, slosh, flop. Cats rain, cats drain, cats train, aim, maim. Cats are liquid, except when they're not. Cats spout, cats drought, cat flash, flood, drench. Cats sprout. A cat's not liquid, except when it is. Roll, quest, nibble, fizz. Cats are weather, thunder, zap. Cats for snow, blanket, nap. Cats are clouds in the atmosphere, evaporate, precipitate, disappear, bye-bye. Are cats liquid? You could read if you want. The end of the book. To Sarah in all her states, to all cats waiting to be adopted. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.